I have a stupid idea. So the G2 Pro is still broken, right? And I wanna fix it, but I won't just fix it. So, right now it has the broken VESC in it and the stock motor and the stock battery. So I was thinking, I have a spare G2 Master motor. It's cracked, but it works. I think you know where I'm going with this. Let's do it. Let's take the motor off. Disconnect the phase wires. Alright, now I will just remove the motor entirely. Also, I need to take the brake caliper off. I can't pull the motor out because of the brake caliper. So the sketchy part will be that I won't have a rear brake anymore. The brake disc doesn't fit with the bigger motor. I will just use e-brake. It's fine. And also, I'll still have the front brake. So, we're good. Ow. You know what, actually, I could put the stock motor in the front and make it dual motor. I'll do that in a future video though. This is a G2 Master motor and it just so happens that it fits perfectly. Oh boy, this looks powerful. Yeah, it's not spinning straight at all. It's good enough. Oh man, look at this thing. Pull the battery out, take the VESC out because it's broken. I need to take off the front cover. Now you might be wondering, what controller am I going to use? Because the VESC is dead. Well, maybe I'll try fixing it, but I'm gonna use this. Oh boy, the G2 Master controller. I also have the display for the G2 Master. So why wouldn't I be using this? I wanna see if it fits in the rear. So this, what is this? Okay, this is the brake. This is the rear light. These are also lights. I'm not gonna need them. Let's take the charging port out. I have to make it fit. I will take care of it later. So the battery will be like this. Can I fit the controller in here with the battery like this? Oh my days, it barely fits. Yeah, I can make it fit. I need to change the plug because the battery has an XT60 and this controller has an XT90. I'ma desolder this plug. Let's solder the XT60. Such a small plug for a big controller. These wires are so hard to bend, bro. But it fits perfectly. The phase wires are soldered. Oh no, bro. This is the front motor connector. Let's do it again. I should... Oh no, I can't put a brake disc on this. It doesn't fit. Let me mount the brake caliper back on. Oh, I actually can't mount the brake caliper. The motor cable is a little too long though. Let's solder the cable. Next, the blue one. Oh, I hope I don't need a front motor to use it. I hope I can just use it with one motor. Now, let's connect the Hall sensor wires. Okay, all of the Hall sensor wires are now connected. So now I have to connect the display, and this is the display. I connected the display, well, I connected the wire for the display. Let's actually put the display on the scooter. Now I have to take off everything. These are the brake sensors. Now I need the other stuff. Okay, the throttle. Oh, yeah, this one. It's the moment of truth. Let's see if this whole thing works. Oh my days, it works. Oh, yeah, it makes sense. Front motor Hall sensor fault, it says. Well, because there's no front motor. Oh man, I wanna try this on the ground. Okay, I'll just shove this in here. Hold on, I didn't check if it spins the right direction though. Oh, it fits. Okay, so I managed to shove all the cables in here. Also, I checked it spins in the right direction. I can't believe the G2 Pro finally works. Well, it's not really a G2 Pro anymore, is it? Bro, how tight is it? You know what, I'ma just cut it off. I can reuse it anyway. So, it's pretty much done for now. I wanna try another thing. So, everyone knows that the G2 Pro is really unstable. So, I wanna try what everyone is doing to their scooter to make it more stable. Flipping the steering. I wanna try it, I wanna see if it works. Okay, I managed to do it. It was an absolute pain. This is about centered. Let me put the front brake back on. Okay, we got front brake. Wanna see how much torque it has. Bro, I think this is the strongest G2 Pro. Damn. I gotta test this on the street, bro. I should put the brake sensor back on because I don't have rear brake. How does this go in here? Does the e-brake work? Yes, it does. Alright, we're testing the G2 Pro with G2 Master motor and G2 Master controller. And he's riding the G2 Master.
Yeah.
My G2 Master.
Of course.
Because his scooter is broken.
Yes, and I don't have a G2 Master.
Let's see how fast this thing goes. Oh, the acceleration is insane, bro.
Hold on.
The e-brake is actually quite strong and it's only on level 1. There are 5 levels.
Let me get some aerodynamics.
Okay.
Hello.
Bro's flying. Nah, it's not going that fast, bro.
Oh my days, the wind is crazy. It's hurting my eyes, guys.
Maybe because the tire is not balanced. Oh no! Because low voltage, that's why.
Hold on.
What?
I'm tearing up from the wind.
Oh.
I don't have a visor, bro.
You know why I don't get that much top speed?
Why?
Because it's under voltaged.
Well, of course.
It's a 13S battery and this controller is a 14S controller.
And the motor is also 14S.
Yes. It will be better once I make dual though. Also, I forgot my headlight at home. So we are going stealth mode. And oh my days, my rear wheel is vibrating. And actually, it feels quite nice, bro. This reverse steering thing. Hold on, can I do police mode on it?
I think so.
Yes!
Yes.
I can do police mode
already?
Look!
That's how much it takes.
Well, I have to hold the brake.
Is this the G2 Master display?
Yes.
Oh, okay, okay.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Just for the video, to have a cool moment in your video, bro.
It will go 50 with dual. I mean, it kind of feels nice. I kind of like the G2 Pro now.
Guys, if Strek leaves this part in the video where I'm talking, should I get a Lonia motor or give it to someone who knows how to fix my stock motor? Because I really don't know if I should save up for a new motor or get my motor fixed. Let me catch up to him.
Damn,
bro.
I
can't see anything.
I mean, bro, this turning the steering around thing makes it stable. It's much better, bro. It feels so much better.
The G2 Master is really nice though. Like, pulls really well for like, I don't know how much peak power this guy has on his G2 Master right now. No way.
Wheelie with no brakes.
Yeah, yeah.
Definitely safe. Let's go. Oh, I'm so fast. I'm so fast. 37. Oh man, he's flying.
Hello.
He's flying. I mean, the G2 Master is a rocket, bro. And the Vesks make it even faster. Bro, the G2 Pro actually feels good now.
Well, of course, it has 1000 watts. Well, almost.
Damn, bro. Riding a slower scooter makes you appreciate the environment. Like, you have
I'm gonna do a little final pull before you cut the video for the content.
Oh man, it's flying, bro. The G2 Master is flying. Damn, bro. Reversed steering looks so goofy. But it feels kinda good. Whoa. How's it feeling?
Huh?
How is the G2 Master feeling?
It's pretty good, bro. Compared to my scooter, it's good. No way, wheelie.
Oh, wheeling with no rear brake. Oh, this is so fun. Not dangerous at all. Bro, why do I like the G2 Pro?
Because it's cool, you have a better motor now.
Yes, but it's slower.
Because it's more stable, that's why, probably.
Yeah.
See? Maybe you didn't need a G2 Master, maybe you just needed a more stable scooter. It's about the stability we made along the way.
Yes, it's about the stability we made along the way. Well, I still love the G2 Master, like it's a rocket. Okay, well, this is stable, bro.
Well, yeah, try no hand. Let's see. Yeah, it works.
Yeah.
Yo, does this one work with no hands?
I think it does.
Yeah.
Bro likes power. Bro, can you believe this is the legal speed? People are having fun at this speed. There's no way. I mean, it's a fun scooter. It pulls.
Huh?
It pulls.
Yeah. Yeah.
Of course, bro. It's a dual motor. What do you expect? Oh boy, the G2 Pro is so fast. It's not that bad.
Ah.
God didn't see me. I'm
No,
stealth.
I was looking behind, bro.
I'm stealth.
I almost can't see anything, bro.
I'm also blind. My visor is foggy.
Yeah, well, at least you don't have to wear glasses, bro. I can't even read a car's license plate.
Oh damn, is that bad?
Yeah.
Damn, bro.
And this is
top speed
yo.
on G2 Pro.
Hello.
Whoa, so fast. Damn. 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 45, 46. Bro, a stock G2 Pro is faster. I'll make this one dual and then we'll see. Look at my suspension.
Yeah, it's cool, bro.
It's kinda tough.
Look. Ding, 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 ding.
Yeah, it's squeaking.
Huh?
It's squeaking.
I know.
I will replace the shocks on the G2 Master.
Yes, I know.
But not yet.
I know.
I'm waiting to get the new motors and then make custom swing arms and then I'ma change the suspension. Ow.
Yeah.
Branches.
Ah, it almost went in my eye.
Oh my days, the G2 Pro is so fast. Whoa! I'm staying like this so I don't get splashed.
Okay.
Bro, it's flying with my scooter.
It's not mine, but guess what?
What?
You can't get it back if you don't catch me.
I know where you live.
How much speed does it show? Okay, I think it's slower than it should be.
No.
Yeah, it is, bro. This is faster than 30, trust me.
This is 30, bro.
No, bro. It's not 30, that's like 40, trust me.
It's not 40, bro.
Well, 35, something like that. It's not 30 though.
Come on, 40! 40! Yeah! Damn, bro, this speed bump is so smooth.
Unlike the other ones.
Yeah.
That one is also smooth, don't worry.